And we're here. You happy to be at the bear's cabin?
I'm very happy.
Oh gosh. Alrighty, thanks. Here's what I'll be wearing for tomorrow. Very blue centric. On the way to the bus drop.
8, 7, 6, 1.
Troubadour.
All right, about 9 miles in, and I'm hurting. Pushed it a little harder than I probably needed to, but everyone said go a little harder the first 4 miles or so because it bottlenecks. This is the best part of the race right here, Yahoo Falls.
Troubadour. So I'm at about 15 miles in. That heel pain, it just has come back with a vengeance, and it just really hurts to run right now. Kind of take it easy here for a little bit and enjoy the scenery. Troubadour.
crossing the Yamacraw bridge right now. Well, that was refreshing. Slippery.
Troubadour.
Starting to hear thunders. So this is my second race, my Altra Timps, and I have to agree with the Ginger Runner. I do not have any confidence with them in any kind of slick condition. I have been sliding all over the place, and it's been a rolled ankle, I shoved my toe into my shoe. Might be retiring these shoes after this race. The rain has officially started.
Troubadour.
Oh, dang. The final bridge crossing